In 1981, Hanwha Solutions Chemical Division made its foray into the wire and cable compound business. Since then, we have consistently introduced a range of high-quality materials for extra-high voltage cables, a segment that demands advanced technology. And our excellence has been proven worldwide, exporting our products to 265 customers across 58 countries. This achievement is the result of moving beyond dependency on imported raw materials by producing our own base resin material, EBA, for extra high voltage Semicon, securing a unique competitive edge in manufacturing. Now, Hanwha Solutions is advancing further by expanding its new Semicon production facilities to meet diverse customer needs. Firstly, we have upgraded our packaging style. Given the moisture sensitivity of extra high voltage Semicon materials, containing acetylene carbon black, we have transitioned from film liners to aluminum liners to enhance product protection. Additionally, the new facilities bring several improvements as follows. 1. Enhanced carbon dispersion capabilities. Achieving superior carbon dispersion characteristics requires advanced production technology and composition. Our new facilities have successfully improved shear stress, further enhancing this capability. 2. Improved quality uniformity. The introduction of a continuous production system has enhanced the uniformity of our products, thanks to the implementation of an advanced online quality control system. 3. Increased production volume. With the expansion of our new production facilities, we have achieved over a 400% increase in productivity compared to existing setups, equivalent to the output of an additional production line, increasing our capacity by 8,000 metric tons annually. Lastly, higher purity Semicon materials. The new facilities feature a closed system from the hopper onward, enabling the production of higher purity Semicon materials compared to previous systems. With these advancements, Hanwha Solutions Chemical Division is committed to meeting the evolving demands of the market through the expansion of its Semicon production facilities. We welcome your continued engagement with Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable on our journey toward a sustainable future. We are Hanwha Solutions Wire and Cable.